Good morning, good morning. Welcome back, welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about the W-4 form. In one of my classes that ended up being the topic of conversation. So I'm going to go ahead and share some information with you guys. I'm actually going to make a few videos. All right. So I'm going to start off with the 5 steps of the W-4. Because I'm understanding that a lot of people don't even understand what the W-4 is, different steps, in filling it out. So what we're going to do today is just run through the 5 steps. It's fairly simple. I understand the form can be intimidating. So let's get right to it. On step 1, this is usually personal information that identifies you and indicates whether you plan to file your taxes as a single person, a married person, or a head of household. Okay. Step 2, this is the part for people whose circumstances indicate they should withhold more or less than the standard amount. A spouse's income, a second job, or freelance income are all factors that can be recorded here, right? And that's in step 2. Now to move on to step 3, this section is where you indicate the number of your children or other dependents. Okay. Step 4, which is an optional section, and it allows you to indicate other reasons to withhold more or less from your paycheck. Passive income from investments, for example, may increase your annual income and the amount of taxes you owe. Itemizing deductions may lower the amount of taxes you owe. These just are some reasons to adjust your withholding on your W-4. And then finally, on the 5th step, it's just your signature. All right. Now, if you haven't done it in some time, there have been updates to the W-4. Okay. It had 7 sections. Now it has been reduced to 5. And that's been effective since, I believe it said 2020, yeah, 2020. All right. The new forms let you adjust your withholdings based on certain personal circumstances. Um, let's see, what else can I tell you about this? Your withholdings count toward paying the annual income tax bill you calculate when you file your tax return for the year. That's why the W-4 form asks you for identifying information such as your name, your address, your social security number. The way you fill out the W-4 employee withholding certificate determines how much tax your employer will withhold from your paycheck. Your employer sends the money it withholds from your paycheck to the IRS along, along with your name and social security number. All right, so that's going to go ahead and wrap this up. I hope this has been very helpful in understanding, you know, what the steps are in completing the Form W-4. And the title of it, as we all know, is the Employees Withholding Certificate. And it's something you need to fill out when you're starting a job. Alrighty. Please like and subscribe if this has helped you. On to the next video, and you have a wonderful rest of your day. Remote job lady. Leaving till next time.